Hello and welcome back to Baguettes and Asbos, and Happy New Year, which is pretty strange because it's the middle of November, but when you're watching this, it should be the beginning of January. So I hope you had a good festive period. Now, we're going to do a little bit different today. You saw in one of the previous episodes, we picked up an RX8. We took it to John's. We tried to crank it and get it running, but no, the engine was very bad. So the car actually came with another engine. So John has started stripping it down, started getting the engine out, doing bits and bobs. He was supposed to bring it here and we were supposed to try and get it out on the winch, but he couldn't wait. So he got himself a engine hoist and he started cracking on. So what I'm going to do is hand you over to John, who's going to show you what he's been up to.
Flashback. Alright, so I've disconnected the battery. It's just take everything out. Everything. Starting with the strut brace. Pipes. Alternator. This air box. Alright, so the front belt we've just taken off. And this. And this. And the second belt with the alternator runs the back, that, and the top of there. I've just been through hell to get all of these water pipes off here. Never ever seen so many. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pipes just on there. All them off. All the belts off. I think the alternator is ready to come out now. Just need to give it a little knock, lift that up off there. All the throttle body off. This, there is 2 bolts. There's one there. Oh no, I got that one. There's one left down there, which, oh my lord. Don't know how I'm going to get that. And then this will come off. Alternator gone. Everything at the front is disconnected now, bar the power steering pump. But we're not going to be taking that off today because I can't be bothered going to get the oil tray to save it all. But yeah, I'm quite happy with the progress, but yes, there is still a lot. It's a very, very complex amount of stuff in there. Good job I've got the video footage to know step by step how to get it all back.
The next day.
Right, people, a little bit of a change of scenery today for the Clio, because we're going to have a little clear up here, and then the Mazda is coming over here. The Clio is staying there. Right, now we've got the Mazda over here with all the tools. Let's get this strut brace off. And this catch can, whatever it is. And then I'm going to go underneath and disconnect the gearbox, because I think everything else under here is disconnected. But we won't find out until we start trying to lift it. This is the most intricate engine I've ever worked on in my whole entire life. For everything you got to take off, you got to take 2 other things off. I don't want to take every single component off it. If I can I just want to disconnect all the pipes and all the water hoses and plugs, and then just lift it out. Well, that's the plan anyway. I'm going to pick up the engine crane tomorrow. And it looks like, I'll have to get a torch so you can see, but it looks like there's one engine mount there, one engine mount down there, and then I presume something's holding it at the gearbox at the back. But yeah, slow but steady progress. Right, that is the wiring loom completely off. I am done for the day. What a job. There it all is. Yes, that taken me several hours. Everything is now disconnected. Everything apart from the gearbox and the engine mount. I'm tired of waiting around, so we went and bought one. She's a beast. So I'm going to put these on the tripod, and this lump is coming out right now. As you can see, we've got a slight break there from the gearbox, but on this side it's not, so I think I'm going to have to go back underneath I have taken these top ones off, as you can see, they're just there. And that one there. But then I just watched a video and he said, oh, don't take that, take the whole arm. But yeah, I'm just going to strip this plate off and see if we have to take that slave off, because it has broke on this side. So we'll see what happens. Right, let's get that onto this so we can build it all up. Only a couple of casualties. Well, not casualties, but a little scratching. It's a big old box. Big old box. Now, got to take the clutch, exhaust, inlet. I think that's it. Right, people, we're going a little backyard boys today. We're going to get everything swapped over off these two engines. Here they are, side by side. As you can see, that is the old one. Look at the state of it. It's absolutely nasty. And look at this one, nice and fresh. So I'm going to give this one a quick clean up now, and then swap a few components over that are easier to put on now before we put it back in. Give all the little gaskets a little clean up, because I've got a feeling I might have to steal that and be a cowboy. But yeah, we're doing a bit of backyard boys today in the back garden. Get them swapped over, and then we'll get this one on the crane and get it put back in place. Look how clean that has just come up. It's cleaned all them faces up as well, ready for the inlet and the outlet. Got just a bit of brake cleaner on the airline. It looks nice and fresh. So let's get the exhaust, inlet, outlet and the engine mounts on, and then she's ready to go. I've hit our first issue. You see these here on the other engine. 1 second. They're pointing up, and the other ones are pointing out here. So we're gonna have to take that off. It is exactly the same, but yes, this thing is different. Okay, change of plan. They didn't, they just spun round, so they was there, just twisted them, and now they where they should be. Got to have the cup of coffee out because it's a bit of a fresh one today. Absolutely ruined my mum's back garden. Right, so as I told you earlier, in the videos, every part you have to take off this, you've got to take another part off, and I've took this exhaust off. This will be the third time now. It's coming off one last time to put the engine mount on, and then it is ready to go in. So, see you in a minute. Voila. Spark plugs in. She is exactly as she was when I taken it out. Everything, no nuts and bolts left, apart from that snapped one there. But yes, everything is back. So it's time to get her on the crane and let's get her in. Didn't end up filming, sorry. We didn't time lapse, but hey. She's in, and she is married up. There's no bolts in yet, but as you can see, connected, nice. So, as you can see, the sun has done me dirty. So I'm going to wrap up for today, And that is it for the end of this video. So as always, people, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And we'll see you soon on the next one when we start getting everything else put back in there. Peace.